all of us have probably had to deal with this problem, a slow draining tub.
You're right, Danny. This is pretty common, and the problem's caused by a buildup of soap and hair over weeks and even months that little by little close off the drain and prevents the water from clearing out of the tub. Now, you could use a plunger like this, which is great for clearing all sorts of plumbing clogs around the house, but it's not very effective on a tub, and here's why. The overflow plate on a tub has two holes that lead to an air shaft that goes down. And they're there so that you don't overflow the tub with water. If you forgot to turn the water off, it wouldn't drain onto the floor. It would just go in these holes and down the drain. But that defeats the plunger because as you're plunging, it's sucking air in and out of those holes. And it's not delivering all its power to the clog. So in this case, where we have standing water, we're going to plug up those holes with a damp cloth.
Okay,
so
so
if you can give me a
take
hand,
care of that for you.
hold that tight against there.
Okay, Joe, we're
Now
ready.
we'll see what happens. This should clear most of this clog, if not all of it. And there, you can see with just 2 or 3 strokes with the plunger, you can see how more quickly it's draining. And if I did that just once or twice more, it'd be completely gone.
That should take care of it.